Let's understand what are the practical tips and common mistakes people make on LinkedIn. So, hello everyone, Sawan here. Time for some pro tips and common pitfalls. From avoiding cliches to choosing the right keywords for SEO, these little details can set you apart from the crowd. I'll also share what not to do, common mistakes. So we have spoken a lot about what you should be doing. So this time I'll also be speaking about what not to do. Common mistakes can hold your profile back, like being too vague and using buzzwords without backing them up with real examples. Let's start with the practical tips for a standout LinkedIn profile. Tip number one, avoid cliches. What's that? Steer clear of cliches like hardworking, team player, motivated. Almost everyone uses them, and you do not want to be everyone if you want your LinkedIn profile to stand out. And they really do not say a lot about you. So everyone says that I'm a team player, or I'm motivated, or I'm hardworking, and so on. You cannot have these words in your profile. Instead, show how you embody these traits with real world examples. So, what makes you, or how can you say that you are hardworking? Or how can you say that you are a team player? Or what is it inside you that makes you motivated? So, that's that, using keywords for SEO. So, SEO isn't just for websites. We have already spoken about this. Your LinkedIn can benefit too. Include industry specific keywords naturally in your about section, experience, and even in the skills area. This makes you more discoverable to recruiters searching for talent in your field or business owners looking for services that you provide or whatever your objective is to be on LinkedIn. Tip number three, having a professional banner, photo, and banner. Well, never underestimate the power of a professional profile photo and a custom banner. So these are the first things someone sees when they land on your profile, and they have to be really, really, really good and aligned with the objective that you have or you want to achieve on LinkedIn. So a professional photo and a banner that reflects your industry or your professional essence can make a strong first impression. Next is common mistakes that you should be and you must be avoiding. Mistake number one, being too vague. A lot of us, actually I would say most of us, are too vague in our LinkedIn profile. Like saying your experience in management without specifically talking about what exactly are you an expert in. Instead, specify what kind of management, the scope of your projects, or the teams you have led. Details matter. Overusing buzzwords like we spoke last. So buzzwords are another pitfall. Words like synergy, wheelhouse, or optimize can become meaningless unless you link them to specific outcome or stories. So do not just use the words, but have a story or a specific outcome or something that stands when you make tall claims. Whenever you use a buzzword, ask yourself, can I illustrate this with a concrete example? If yes, use it. If not, ditch it. Neglecting recommendations. Skipping the recommendation section is a missed opportunity. Recommendations from peers, bosses, or clients builds credibility and trust, and that's what LinkedIn is for. So don't be shy. Reach out to colleagues for recommendation and offer to reciprocate. Remember that your LinkedIn profile is your professional storefront. It's worth investing the time to make it as impactful as possible. Use these tips and avoid common mistakes to ensure your profile is not just seen but remembered. And there you have it, LinkedIn profile that's not just filled out but stands out using ChatGPT. And we can always keep refining it and keep working on it. And that's what the entire game of social media is all about. You keep learning, you keep refining, you keep updating, and then you keep restarting. So that's all about the common pitfalls and mistakes and the things that you should be doing. See you in the next video. Until then, have a great and wonderful day.